Hey guys, so I have a lot of friends that are plumb amazed and want me to show them how to make a water bong. So this can be used for anything. So you're going to have your bottle, and the only thing you need is a cigarette if you smoke, or something with that circumference. So you're going to take your water bottle, bend it, and then it's like this. You have the bottom right there, and then you take your cigarette, hold it there until it puts a hole, and then whatever thing you need, you want that to go in the hole. So we're probably going to need a little bit more heat to make it a little bit bigger. And then you have a water bong. You put water in it or juice. Not very much. That's probably too much. Kind of squish it. And you have a perfect water bong. There you go. Cheers.